Hello friends and welcome to your Spanish Corner. Today we will see the adjectives in Spanish. There are different kinds of adjectives, but here we will study those describing a quality of a noun, like shape, size, color, material, and so on. Other than in English, in Spanish adjectives usually go after the noun they describe and agree in gender and number with the noun. That is, they take different endings depending on if they are masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. But you will see that this is not difficult at all. So let's get started. In order to learn about the adjectives easily and rapidly, I'll put them into two groups. First group, adjectives with different endings in masculine and feminine form. The most common ending in Spanish adjectives is o in the masculine singular form. These adjectives take the ending a in feminine singular, os in masculine plural, and as in feminine plural. For example, let's take the adjective alto, which means tall or high. Alto, alta, altos, altas. Un hombre alto, a tall man. La jirafa es alta, the giraffe is tall. Edificios altos, tall buildings. Montañas altas, high mountains. Other adjectives in this first group end with or, in, and on in masculine singular, and also take four different endings. But as they are not so common, and furthermore they have exceptions, I don't think a good idea to study them now. So let's proceed with the second group. This is easier than the first one, as the masculine and feminine forms take the same ending. So the only change in these adjectives is when they take the singular or plural form. It is the case of adjectives ending with e. For instance, verde, green. Here for the plural form an s is added. Examples: un árbol verde, masculine. Una manzana verde, feminine. That means a green tree and a green apple. For the plural, los árboles verdes, the green trees, and las manzanas verdes, the green apples. Then we have adjectives ending with a consonant. Let's now take the blue color, in Spanish, azul. As in the substantives, adjectives finishing with a consonant usually add the ending es, es, to form the plural. Let's see some examples. El cielo azul, the blue sky. Una luz azul, a blue light. Los pájaros azules, the blue birds. Las montañas azules, the blue mountains. There is an exception in writing. The adjective feliz, which means happy. The plural form changes from z to ces, ces. This way, the singular form is feliz, both masculine and feminine, and the plural form is felices. Example: una pareja feliz, a happy couple. Los años felices, the happy years. Regarding the pronunciation, remember that the sound C in the word felices is used in Spain. We say feliz, felices. But in Latin America, this sound is replaced by an unvoiced S, becoming feliz and felices. So you can choose the accent you want to speak with. Both are correct. There are a few more adjective endings and exceptions, but I don't want to burden you with so many grammar rules, as they are not so common, and you will learn them with time and practice. With the simple rules we have studied in this lesson, you can perfectly use more than 90% of the adjectives you will need. By the way, If you want to learn the 100 adjectives most commonly used in Spanish, please watch my vocabulary video. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Okay friends, and that's all for this video. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe to this channel for more Spanish videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hasta pronto!